Hello friends, welcome to my channel lemondefrancais once more. Today I'm going to let you know about article. Let me tell you, in French, basically there are four kinds of articles, but in English there are two only. The first one is indefinite article and the second one is definite article. I hope you understand it well. But in French there are four kinds of articles. Like four kinds of articles, what are those? I'm going to introduce you one by one so that you may easily understand it. The first article is l'article indéfini. L'article indéfini. It means the indefinite article, as usual we find in English as well. Like a and an are considered like indefinite article in English. So in French, there are some words which are used over there as well. The next one is definite article. So in French we call it l'article défini, means definite article. In English, definite article is the, that is quite easy to be understood as well. So in the same way, in French we use l'article défini, means the definite article. The third one is l'article partitive, which is considered like partitive article. And what is that? You will be learning that particular stuff in my next video. And the fourth one, that is the final article in French, we call it l'article contracté. L'article contracté. So the first term, gradually start forming some sentences and using in French as well. Like for example, if you have to ask somebody, like how many articles are there in French? So we ask, il y a combien d'articles en français? Excuse-moi, il y a combien d'articles en français? So we can, that is all what the sentence, it means like how many articles are there in French. So we can say, il y a 4 articles en français. So if someone asks, excusez-moi monsieur, il y a combien d'articles en français? So you can speak out, il y a 4 articles en français. Means there are 4 articles in French. L'article indéfini, l'article défini, l'article partitif, and the last one, that is l'article contracté. I hope you understood it. For more videos, stay tuned with us.
I hope you liked the video. For more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe the channel. And to get notification, click on the bell icon.